Hello everyone! Welcome back to Nursing and NCLEX Simple Learning. In today's video, I'm going to share my real journey of how I became a registered nurse in Australia through the OBA pathway. I'll take you step by step through the full process, from self-check to getting my final AHPRA registration. I'll also share the fees, challenges, and my personal tips at each stage. Step 1, self-check. The first step is the self-check on the AHPRA website. This part is completely free of cost and helps AHPRA decide whether you fall into Stream A or Stream B. You simply enter your nursing qualification details and experience, and based on this, AHPRA tells you whether you need further assessment. Step 2, IQM Assessment and Orientation Part 1. Once I was told I could proceed as a Stream B candidate, I had to pay the IQM assessment fee of odd $410. This fee includes your qualification check, document verification, and Orientation Part 1, which is an online learning module. It's a non-refundable fee, but very important for moving forward. Step 3, Portfolio Stage. In the portfolio stage, you need to submit several documents. Certified copies of your nursing degree and transcripts. Criminal record checks, one from India and one for Australia. Your resume and employment certificates. Make sure everything is properly certified and clear. I spent time double-checking to avoid delays. NCLEX-RN exam. Once my documents were accepted, I moved to the first stage of OBA exams, the NCLEX-RN. Here's what I paid. US $200 for the NCLEX exam fee to Pearson VUE. USD $150 international scheduling fee. That's around odd $520 to $550 depending on the exchange rate. I prepared seriously for this, using question banks and NCLEX review materials, and thankfully, I passed in my first attempt. Step 5, OSCE exam, or 4,000 travel. After passing NCLEX, I was eligible for the final step, the OSCE exam, held in Adelaide, Australia. This was the most expensive and intense part. OSCE exam fee, odd $4,000 non-refundable. Travel and accommodation varies. I spent approximately $3,000. I also enrolled in a private OSCE preparation course, which cost around odd $2,500. It was tough, but with practice and guidance, I cleared the OSCE successfully. Step 6, AHPRA registration. After passing OSCE, I applied for official registration with AHPRA. I paid. Application fee, $300. Initial registration fee, $185. Once approved, I officially became a registered nurse in Australia in 2023. Total core cost estimated. Here's a quick summary of the minimum core costs I paid during the OBA pathway, excluding travel and optional courses. IQM assessment fee, odd $520–$550. OSCE fee of $4,000. Registration, odd $300 plus $185. Total approximate minimum cost, $5,450–$445. Final thoughts? Yes, the process is long and expensive, but it's 100% achievable with proper planning and dedication. I managed everything while working full-time in Punjab, India, and if I can do it, so can you. In my next videos, I'll break down each of these steps in detail and give you tips on how to prepare for NCLEX, OSCE, and document submission. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know which step you want me to explain first. Thank you for watching, and I'm here to support you on your journey. In the next video, I'll share exactly what I did after getting my Australian RN registration, how I applied for jobs, and also how I applied for my PR, permanent residency. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Nursing and NCLEX Simple Learning, to stay updated.